If you train in the gym for at least a couple of months, or even if you train in the calisthenic park, you probably have seen people doing their pull-ups like this. They cross their legs and wrap them out. Yes, you still are getting a back activation, but by doing pull-ups like this, you are not performing it at your best. And if you can't increase the number of reps that you are doing right now, or even weight with what you pull up, you get stuck in one place. I will tell you what to do to fix it. As I said, a lot of people doing their pull-ups with bended knees. The weight of your legs is weight of your legs, whether you are doing your pull-ups with crossed legs or with legs in front of your body. And I'm not talking about only getting your legs in front of your body, because you can't do it. When you will do just that, you will sway around. That means that you can't control your body weight and you will poorly execute your pull-ups. You need energy to do rep after rep over and over again. And I'm not talking about energy from the Red Bull. Come on. When you will get your legs in front of you, I want you to point your toes down by squeezing your calves. Keep your legs together. Squeeze your thighs as hard as you can. Squeeze that glutes and your abs as well. By doing this, you're plugging all the potential places where the force that you will generate down to the bar can leak out of, realizing that your whole body is a kinetic chain with that energy flowing up and down. By doing this, you will see instant strength increases. That's what I learned from Jeff Cavaliere from Athlean-X. And that literally helped me, because I couldn't pull up with 10 kilos for 2 reps. Now I can do actually almost 4. And it's not only about weight, you can also increase the numbers of repetitions that you are doing right now. By squeezing your thighs, glutes, calves, and abs as well, you are sort of unweighting yourself. You feel more lighter and you're just flying up and down through that bar. Of course, you need to make sure that your grip strength is in check and you are gripping the bar properly. I will tell you this right now. You can do more pull-ups by having the bar on the end of your fingers, but it will place a lot of stress on your elbow. So unless you are in a competition, do your pull-ups with the bar deep inside of your palm to avoid an elbow pain, what will hold you back from your workouts. If you can't do a single pull-up, I will leave a link in the description to the video that will show you what you need to do your first pull-up. Go and make that one tweak and see how your strength on the pull-ups will go up. It helped me and I hope it will help you too. So that's it. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on so you never miss any video. Dedicate your life to your purpose. And bye, brother.